Hey guys, this is Nathaniel Olson. And here is my career choice, clinical psychiatrist. So here we go. What is a clinical psychiatrist? Clinical psychiatrists are physicians who specialize in using clinical practices in the treatment of mental illnesses and disorders, including bipolar disorder, schizophrenia, anxiety disorders, and addictions, um, as well as depression. Education required. Becoming a clinical psychiatrist requires significant training. After earning a bachelor degree, they must attend a medical school, which typically takes 4 years to complete. A residency program is also required, which might last up to 4 years. Um, as of right now, I'm trying to think about what school to go to. I'm thinking Ohio State or maybe something closer to home in Oregon. Why am I That's the only picture I had. Why am I a psychology major? I love helping people. I want to provide a setting that I can find fulfilling and enjoyable, and I want to be able to serve the Lord in a greater capacity as time goes on. Um, Super important. It's in my patriarchal blessing, and I came back from a mission early for this type of stuff, for depression, anxiety, so it's close to home. Mhm. And how does this relate to my 4-year plan? Um, it My 4-year plan, for that assignment, I just used what BYU Idaho provided, and I just kind of talked about how this is what I'm striving for. I'm still not 100% sure this is what I want to do. It takes a lot of time, and grades need to be uh, good to get into any graduate school. So I'm trying to get to the point where I can start doing that. And yeah, it's just kind of my thing. Hope you guys enjoyed it.